What's going on, folks? This is your guy, the 10X Closer. Real quick update. And this message is actually brought to you in part by the Garage Billionaire podcast and the 10X Closer, which is me. Once again, this is about the video I made last on how to get $23,500 in primary credit on your report. This is for people with no credit and bad credit, or people that just want to add trade lines onto their account because it's thin. So apparently, people have been noticing that the My Jewelers Club have been falling off of their credit reports. And, where there's smoke, there's fire. So this has been the buzz going around. However, with that said, I would not say not to still sign up with them because they are still reporting to Equifax and TransUnion. So go apply now.